Drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.
I am now dressed and I need to get the girls clothes. I always let them stay downstairs in their jammies and then I go and get their clothes for school, which I kind of like because I get to pick their outfits. They're not always happy, but sometimes they are. This shirt for her that was thrifted. The other two nuggets are staying home from school because it's Friday and I'm like, what's the point in sending them when they've been sick all week? They might as well just stay home one more day. Oh, it's red and white day for the Olympics. So, this one.
Yeah, like this thing.
Please get 2 Boston cream donuts and a sprinkle donut, and that's it. Thank you.
Why?
We are back from getting donuts and dropping Blake to school. My house is a complete disaster. Story of my life. Every time, I need help with this. Every time after school drop off, here you go, baby. The younger two are home, by the way, because it's Friday, so I thought to keep them home. Every time after I drop the kids at school, there's just breakfast stuff everywhere. There's dishes in the sink, there's dishes on the counter. My laundry is full. I have clothes to put away, I have to make the beds. And there is nothing in my little cake tray, so I need to bake something today. And I was thinking of making some bread. I might make pizza dough too because we might want to have pizza tonight. I'm not 100% sure yet, but I am so tired, honestly. You guys know when your kids are sick, you don't sleep. And I have not had a good night's sleep since last Saturday. So 6 days. I haven't had a good sleep. Last night was the best. I was only woken up 3 times as opposed to, I don't know, 20. But I'm just like still so exhausted. If you saw in my last vlog, I did like a light cleaning video. Today I want to do just a couple things that are a little bit deeper of a clean. It's not going to take me long. I just wanted to shampoo the carpets and steam the couch and wash the blankets and stuff because the girls were sick. I'm going to open the window, get some fresh air in here even though it's freezing out. And yeah, so if you need some motivation to get your home cleaned up, then this video is for you.
You told me there'd be better days, and nothing that can pull us under. You wanna take the pain away, but know that I was born in it. We fail, but we're better than that. We're better than that. I know you know, so why are we holding on, holding on? Seems like we're back on start, but go. I go red and you go left before it turns to red. It's true. Yeah, I hope that we could work it out. We'll never be enough for you. Don't shed a tear or two for good. There are other ways and other reasons, but only one that cuts to pieces. So why we
Good job. Girls are gonna be playing Play-Doh while I make some blackout sprinkle cookies. And are you okay?
Yeah.
Oh, honey. And that's from the Half Baked Harvest Quick and Easy Cookbook. They just look really good, except I don't have dark sprinkles, but whatever. We'll make it work. I did. Girls are watching a movie and I was just editing the video for the last my last YouTube video for 40 minutes and I'm nowhere near done. I forgot how much more time it takes to edit a YouTube video than a video on my phone, but that's okay. I did miss it though because it's a little bit more work and it's more, it requires more creative thinking and timing and planning, so I did miss that. I'm gonna give this to little Liv because Reese is better now. If I didn't mention this before, they had hand, foot, and mouth, which was not fun.
Yeah.
So Reese had a fever for a full week and all the sores around her mouth. Blake had the sores, but then was fine, never got a fever. And Olivia had the sores, no fever, no sickness, but now, after a week, Olivia has a low-grade fever, but no sores. So I'm like, I don't know what's happening. We're just falling apart over here. But one little nugget is feeling better. Because I hate when my kids are sick. It's literally the worst. So this is full of laundry and this is full of clean laundry. So I need to empty this and put it away so that I can take this out and then switch this. I haven't even opened the blinds yet today. What have I been doing with my life? We got a lot of snow.
Yeah.
Your throat still hurts.
Now you do it with me.
Okay.
They're so good. Just picked up the bumblebee from school and I'm making this cheeseburger pasta because it's one skillet plus the pot to cook the noodles. Super easy, and when I don't feel like cooking something, this is what we make, so I'm gonna show you how to make it. Right now I just have beef in the pan defrosting because of course I forgot to take beef out. So I'll show you the next steps after that. Okay, so now I'm just gonna add salt and pepper to the beef. Then we're gonna add in about 2 cups of organic chicken broth. I just eyeball it. Then you're gonna pour in 1.5 cups of water. Then about 1/3 cup of ketchup.
And then a whole pickle.
No. I need it for my cheeseburger casserole. So I'm just chopping up some dill pickle because you're gonna put that in there too. Because it is a cheeseburger casserole. And what is a cheeseburger? I'm like choking on the pickle juice. Are you okay? Grab a water. You can say hi. They haven't seen you in a while.
The sourness hit my throat. And hi.
5'8". She's 8 years old. Yeah. We're gonna add our pickles. Then we need 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard. So I'm just gonna bring it to a boil and put the lid on and let it cook till the pasta's al dente.
Oh, actually.
The noodles are looking nice and plump. We're gonna add milk. I really should have done this in a Dutch oven, but that's okay. So we're gonna add a cup of milk. There's our milk, and then we're gonna add the cheese. The cheese, if you're wondering why I have green cheese, it's because we got like a specialty Gouda, pesto infused Gouda. It's very mild in the pesto flavor, but it tastes really good because Gouda just makes everything better. So we're gonna mix this together and then it's ready to serve.
Still like at least 5-6 years old.
So that is the cheeseburger pasta. It's super creamy, as you can see, because there's lots of like milk and broth and stuff. And there's pickles and beef, and it's gonna taste so good, especially like second day with some ketchup on top. Oh my gosh, it's so good. So I'm gonna serve this up for the kids. And everybody is yelling at me for different things. So I'm gonna go, but I love you guys. I'll see you in the next video.